guys, so in today's video we're going to be making some DIY Tumblr stickers. They look like this. I drew them all out myself. So this one says friends, this one says spill the tea, got Vans, what's good vibes, this Rosa Parks thing. Just a lot of stickers you can make, you know, just like whatever you want on them. So it's pretty easy. You just need like 4 or 5 things. It is a lot of cutting, and some people hate cutting. I don't like cutting that much, but I did this anyways. Anywho, so that's that, and let's get on with the video. Okay, so basically in this clip, I'm just showing you guys me cutting out the stickers, and I'm just gonna say you can leave white space around it so it has more of a Tumblr effect, but like you can do whatever you want. But after I cut all the stickers, we're gonna move on to the next step. And I don't wonder what that lover, you give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. So I didn't realize that my gold pen got all over the Netflix sticker, so it got messed up, but we're still gonna use it like that because there's nothing you can do about it. So after cutting the parchment paper, you get your tape and you just want to start sticking it on the parchment paper whichever direction you want, but I did it vertical to myself versus horizontal because it wastes less tape. And after that, just continue sticking all the way and make sure you overlap them like I'm showing in this clip so that when you take them off, the tape does not come apart. After that, then you're just gonna arrange all the drawings or stickers on the parchment paper and make sure you leave space in between so that when you cut it, you don't cut too close to the other sticker. Okay, so after you arrange the stickers on top of the tape, you're gonna put more tape on top in the same direction you put the last set of tape, and then I'm just gonna continue with that, and then after I'm gonna take a ruler and like smoothen or flatten everything up so there's no air bubbles or whatever, and then I'm gonna cut off the excess tape on the side, which was an accident, and then you're going to cut it out. Make sure when you cut it out you leave space around the stickers, like white space or clear space. Yeah, we're just gonna cut it out, and then this part I'm just showing you that the parchment paper acts like the sticker paper, so when you peel it off it doesn't stick to the parchment paper. That, I don't know if that makes any sense, but you know, it's what I showed there. Then I'm gonna cut the rest out, and yeah, that's basically all. made it to the end of the video, and we made a bunch of stickers, and yeah, I guess, and you know, we're quarantined because of the coronavirus, and there's literally nothing else you could possibly do, so like there's no excuse to not do the DIY, but like, who am I to tell you what to do? Right? Thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and I hope you try it. Just put them on anything. Like I put these two on my Switch, and yeah, the ones I showed you on my computer already. But yeah, it's really fun. You can gift them as presents. You can do that too. And it's fun to do. So you can do that while you're bored in quarantine or whatever you want to do, or whenever you want to do it. But that's all. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!